Alright fam, how's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day, guys. This is a continuing from the headlights. This is part 2. We're gonna do the brake light now, guys. Got a little cold, put my long sleeve now again. This is pretty simple. What you gotta do is this part's right here, the little rubbers, just twist them to the left. They should come out nice and easy. Oop, there it goes. Same right here, and the little clicks right here, which is this one's, like I said on my previous video, by the Amazon kit. It's super easy, way much easier. Just boom, pull, easy. And you know, obviously these little plastic things will get damaged once you take them out, so you know, they're cheap to replace. You can buy an Amazon or Rallies, whatever. I put my hat on, my GoPro here, guys, and let's get down to business. Let's check everything's recording, looking good, angle is good. All right, let's get going. Seeing the reflection right there, might be doing that a couple times, so double check that it is recording. Put everything right here. All right, so first things first, this comes off really easily. Clicking right here, comes off nice and easy. This part here is actually a little rubber piece here, like a little grip you gotta take off because it's stuck there with a little mat. This comes off like this. Now the issue is, I'm gonna take my sunglasses off for this now. It's right here. Now this piece will just go in easily right here. Yes, I remember this from my Camry. Oh come on, you gotta be kidding me. Alright, hold on a minute, guys. So there's a little click right there, if you guys can see. Click, a little panel there, hidden panel. This side. Actually, let me do the thin one. Where's the thin one? Here's the thin one. To this side, there's a little opening. There we go. Look at that. Oh my god. Now the wrench is gonna be the issue because I have a long wrench. Let's check the toolbox. Alright guys, so we're back. We did a tool here. Please don't judge my tool expertise right here, but look at this. It's gonna fit. Oh yeah. Here we go. Can you believe this? Huge shout out to my brother-in-law. We're having all these tools just laying around. He was gonna sell them a while back and he didn't. Thankfully he didn't, but we'll have the whole set. But look at this. And you know what? It's cool because this is gonna help me for my stinger installation too. So god dang. All right, put the glasses right here. We got that piece out, so this should just come out nice and easy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, what's this? It's like a brand new piece. This obviously just slides through here. Oh, we forgot one piece right here. Did not see that coming. So like I said, you're gonna see me in action. Pull. Now it's a little bit harder because I got all this, but go, you know, left, right, up and down, and it comes off. Beautiful. We're gonna lift this on the top right here. Awesome. Hope it doesn't fly. And the trunk light, which I was thinking it was right here and actually right here. All right, so let's see what we got here. So we gotta unplug the light right here. Yeah, see a little switch. Okay. All right, guys, so give me guys a minute. I'm gonna analyze the situation and I'll get back to you guys in a short brief moment. All right, guys, so we had to push actually the 2 pins right here. If you guys see, 2 of this right here to get them out. So it looks like we kind of did already. We're gonna use a plastic piece now. Looks like this big one might do the trick. I don't want to use a metal one right here. This car is color black, so you know we don't want to. we took the little bolts out. Let me show you guys from the new piece. Take the little bolts there, so this little metal should just be able to come off, and that's what's going on here. We're just able to take this off, but from the bottom has a little click, so click there, click right there. Oh my god, my finger. Wear gloves, guys, wear gloves. Oh, actually this is already off. Oh my god. Just be careful these little pieces don't go inside your trunk, because it will be a pain in the butt to take them out. You know what I'm saying. They should just come out like this. Now I'm not gonna lie, I was worried about this piece because it's like the ceiling. I was like, oh my god, did I just mess this up? You know what I mean? But no, the new one actually does come out with a little ceiling, so you're gonna be okay. Now this is an OEM piece, like I said, you know, original from GM Buick, you know what I mean? So just letting you guys know. Check it if I'm still recording. Okay, just letting you guys know this is an OEM piece, GM. So you know, so I don't know if aftermarket or, you know, the Amazon version or eBay has the ceiling or not, but if it doesn't, I 100% recommend you guys putting it on, because I mean, you need it, you know, once it rains and everything. Now this piece comes out really easy. I thought I was gonna need glue gun, honestly, but no, looks like this piece comes out nice and easy. I'm gonna leave everything here. Let's see, I don't want to make a mess. Bubble wrap, my son would appreciate it, bubble wrapping. So there we go, guys. Now this part, guys, we are gonna clean it real fast right now. Some glue gun, which, you know, I always carry with me, and I just literally bought some because I need it for my stinger installation. So there it is, glue gun. I bought some 3M tape just in case, but it looks like we're not gonna be needing it. Got my fiber here. Gonna clean it really fast before we put the new light on. Should be plug and play, so nice and easy. And let's go get a new battery for the GoPro, because the battery's dying already. Got my little battery, guys. This one should be good to go. Let's swap it. Good things. Glue gun, guys, is great for even 3M tape, even the ones from the dealership. So I 100% recommend glue gun always, to take any sticker, any. Oh my god, this is like adult proof too. Any sticker, any double stick tape, 3M tape definitely helps a lot. It has helped me a lot of times, guys. So definitely 100% recommend glue gun. I'm gonna poke this right here so we don't get. Oh my god, there we go. Little tiny holder, kind of. Gonna put some right here. We are gonna be needing this later for the stinger installation, so you guys stay tuned for the next video. All right, this stuff smells like soda, to be honest. Got a neighbor, somebody's looking like for solar panels, you know, it's the new solar panel situation. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my phone so this guy doesn't come talk to us. Here we have. Alright. Real nice, real nice. Also for the headlights, stay tuned, guys, because we are gonna be doing a little reveal, because we are gonna change the bolt like I mentioned on the previous video, so it should be fun. So the water piece there, you put that on. Water, we'll let it dry for a couple minutes and then we'll continue with installation, guys. Alright, fam, here's the new ones. They got the little protecting ceiling right there, beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and put it in now. It's gonna go right here, click in there, but before we do that we have to take the thing right here, the protector. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice. Okay, so I'm guessing we got one shot of this, so you know how we do with the 3M tape, guys. Oh my god, oh god. Oh, I have to be the same matching ones. You know, I kind of messed up. I should have tried them out before I even did this, but you know what? Oh god, I should have done that. I should have. You know what? They're just leaving right there for now. Let's try to connect them. And yeah, because I don't want to have issues. You know what I mean? I believe this goes right here. I think I'll take the camera out for a minute, guys. There we go. Hopefully you guys can see a little. You're just gonna have to connect this. It's an easy task. Now, I don't know if you connect them like this or you connect them the other way. There we go. So I don't want to. Oh my god, it almost came off because I haven't stuck them on. Yeah, there we go. So I think there they are. Alright guys, so we test them out. Looks like they're good. What the heck? Oh my god, it scared me. I was like, what is that noise? So ready guys. So now we're just gonna have to stick this on right here. There we go. So there you go, looks exactly like the stock one. Really nice, not gonna lie. Let's just double check the cables right here. Everything looks good. You guys will be laughing at me right now because I'm already grabbing the GoPro with my face, but there you go, cable's good connected there. Alright guys, so we put a big wrench there connection just to see the tail lights. Look at that. Just like the X-Men, right? Cyclone, I believe it is. Alright guys, everything is looking sexy. So guys, I learned something about the GoPro and the little click that we got right here that I was putting on my hat. You guys are probably gonna laugh at this, but this thing actually had a freaking magnet that I could have just done this and could have done this. That's awesome to know though. It will help me out a lot, but what the fuck? Literally just finished the video. Anywho, so now we're gonna put everything back together, all the clicks and everything, you know what I'm saying, and should be all good to go. Brake lights is awesome, so I mean, there goes the installation on it. We gotta check for any light going right through. It looks like everything is good, but we're definitely gonna put maybe some masking tape just to make sure. But it looks like everything's sticking on good, but you know, you never know. We don't want issues going around, so I'm gonna do that right now. You know, your car looks more sexier when you see it actually right. Looks good. There's some rollers in this car now. Yeah, buddy. Stinger is good, guys. Anywho's, thank you guys for watching, fam. We're finishing up the trunk right now, putting everything one by one. I do recommend using a rubber hammer. Either way, it's metal and it has its protector, so you guys should be okay. Just hitting it nice and slowly, left and then right, and then you should be going in by in, nice and easy. This piece should be going inside here, the bolt right here, the cover on, twisting this, and you guys should be okay and nice and easy.